Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about refraction of light at plane surface, class ninth. Before starting our topic, we are going to learn about light. What is light? Light is a light is a form of energy. It is an electromagnetic wave. What is meant by electromagnetic wave? The wave which are generating or generated by a source that is called electromagnetic wave. That's all. Okay. Our next comes what is ray of light. Light travels in a straight line, so it is called as ray of light. Okay, our next topic is beam of light. What is beam of light? A group of rays of light. It is called beam of light. Over here you can see these are group of rays which are generating. These beam of rays are generating co- coming in the groups that is called beam of rays. Okay, next comes luminous objects and non-luminous objects. These two are luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Okay, what is luminous objects? We'll see now. Some objects emit or create or generate their own light, such as objects are called luminous objects. For example, sun, bulb, candle, torch, etc. Okay, what that is called luminous object. They have their own energy, children. Over here they have their own energy. They don't did not use the depend on another other energy for that. That is called luminous object. Our coming to our non-luminous objects. Some objects cannot generate their own light, such as objects are called non-luminous object. Chair, table, mirror, moon, human body. um, that means non-human object, the light it does not depend on itself. It depends on another other. It does not depends on light or the. Okay, you are getting my point over here, children. They don't create their own energy, children. Okay, they don't create their own energy. Now the question comes, if they now the questions come, if they all are non-luminous objects, how can we are able to see these objects, this chair, table, mirror, moon, human body? How we are able to see? Because of our refraction. Because of a refraction of light, change in the direction of light is called refraction. What is refraction of light, children? Over here, once again I'm repeating over here, change in direction of light is called reflection of light. Okay, okay, children. Now we are going to see now this thing as suppose you think this line is sun. Sun surface coming from the row and striking the object, striking the this is line. You think, suppose it is sun and coming ray is coming from the surface and striking away, and object is changing its direction, and object is changing its direction. That is called refraction of right. Okay, am I clear, children? That topic is called refraction of light. Okay, children. Now, apart from that, we are going to learn about now how how ourselves, you will be thinking how ourselves we are going to see in the mirror. This is our topic. We are going to see this topic. We are going to learn how ourselves we see in the mirror. We will learn this now. Okay, now, line, this line, this line, you think this line as light coming from the source. That light is called incidence of ray. That ray, it is coming from, that is incidence ray, and it's striking away and it's changing a direction to the ray of reflected ray. Okay, Now it is making an arrow of L. Now children, what is L? That is not L children, I. I and R. What is I? Over here I means, over here means I. I means angle of incidence and R for angle of reflection. I is equal to, these are law of reflection children. You should every time remember children, in the examination they're going to ask for sorry children, 1 mark for, they are going to ask you for that what is I and what is R. In the bits paper or in the question paper they may ask you what is angle of what is I and what is R. They may give you these and they may tell you what is I and R, whatever. Okay, do you understand? And the perpendicular line which is striking away the ray, that is called normal. That is called normal over here. Okay, now next we are going to learn about, after this process, whole process, now we are able to see ourselves in the mirror. The light from the source to the human body reflected from it and strike the mirror from this light and reflected from the source, then only we will able to see ourselves on the mirror. Am I clear children? Am I clear children? Okay, now our next topic is about refraction of light. What is mean by refraction of light children? Refraction of light. When a light ray is incidence, when a light ray is incidence on the surface of the object, a part of the object is an part of a light is transmitted, what is reflected and what is transmitted. Over here this line is reflected, over here this line is reflected, then is accommodated and this part and the object light ray is transmitting, okay, and transmitted over here. Okay, understand children? Opaque objects children. What is opaque? What is opaque objects children? You may thinking what is opaque objects? In this children, opaque objects are very important children. Opaque objects are always reflected. In this opaque and in this glass. Children, in this opaque reflected, in the glass transmitted. Children, every time remember children, in examination they may ask in the which will be reflect and which will be transmit. You'd say opaque will be reflect and glass will be transmit. Okay children. What is opaque children? Now the questions come that what is opaque? Opaque is nothing but through which light never pass. Opaque is nothing but through which light never pass. Okay children, the meaning of opaque. Understand children? Over here I wrote clearly, I am writing children. Clearly you make one notes and copy everything children. In the next class I am going to check. Okay children. Transmitted objects, the light easily pass. Transmitted objects. Transmitted objects can easily pass away. Can easily pass away children over here, which is over here. Transmitted objects can easily pass away from the anything opaque, like glass. Took our glass example of our glass example. Okay children. See children, example of previous we have learned. No children, over this we have learned all this process. Over here examples are written over here. You can see example opaque objects reflects most of the light. Mirror is an example of opaque object. Okay children, mirror, anything you can for other. Transmitted transparent objects transmitted most of the light. Glass an example of transmitted object. Okay children, when light travels from one medium to another its direction and it changes at the interface, the phenomena of changing direction at the interface of two media, it is called refraction of light. Refraction of light. See this children, this, see this medium children, see this medium over here. You can see this medium, no, which are which are transmitting over here, transmitting, and the medium is not coming from this surface. That is called refraction over here. Okay children, okay children, that's all for today children. Hope you all understood my explanation. If you have any doubt for my explanation, directly comment, I'll be explaining. Okay children, now worksheets also available. If any student want worksheets, directly message me. For all the subject, worksheets are available over here. Okay, now hope you all understood. See you in the next class. Now we are going to see your homework. What is your homework? See, first learn and write about light, luminous object, non-luminous objects, refraction of light. That's all children. Make your notes, write everything. Okay children, hope you all understood. Stay safe, stay subscribe my channel, like it, everything.